Oh, brother. Come on. Are you kidding?
National agencies from all around the country on calls all over the weekend preparing for this. And it will be quite serious. It may get contained in WA. It's only 2 birds that were found on a pretty remote part of the beach. But now that it's
Just drove through a red light. Christ. Fucking idiot.
She sent me
Oi.
Wait. Fucking, who does? Fucking bro! Jesus fucking Christ.
She could be my friend, but baby, I'm a player, ain't no reason to pretend. With a beautiful bitch, her hair blowing in the wind. Hope that you can comprehend. When I'm spitting this pimping and the rules don't bend.
Fuck? Are you for real? Fucking idiot.
Have your shit together, you lay it all out, there's no thinking to be done. Oh, that was crazy. That was mad. See that?
Fuck me. Fuckhead. What the fuck are you doing, cunt? Fucking vlog.
Oh, please. Yeah, hours are killing me, so yeah, I went on Saturday.
That was me blasting the shit out of someone who's driving around with no fucking lights on.
What the fuck? Subsequently, Sarah Bond, who was also an outsider initially when she came into the Microsoft fold and the Xbox company, and someone like Asha Sharma, who is absolutely an outsider in that space as well, right? I think the thing...
Oh, dickhead.
Oh yeah,
you notice how like the third eye like really accurately like looked too, like it was like tracking with the other. It was cool.
Oh,
did you know which that god was based on? What's the fire?
Two dickheads together.
Use the right 2 lanes to take the Frankston Dandenong Road slip road, then use any lane to turn right onto Dandenong Valley Highway.
What are you doing?
Creating that rhythm for then the whole body to get in sync to.
I think I'm having this question of the brain is such a regal and
What happened? What happened? What did she do? Did she...
Fuck. You can't do that. You have to turn from that lane, you dick.
Come on, Dash, come here.